Hi guys, this is Himiko Black and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna do a quick review on the product I bought from Amazon, which is the Blaspheme tempered glass for Oneplus 7T Pro. Now let's begin with the unboxing. The delivery was on time despite of the current situation. There was no tampering with the box and it was well packed. So yeah, a tick on the on-time delivery and product safety. Kudos to Amazon for that.
Like a haunting melody. What do spirits say?
So here's the actual product. As you guys can see, it costs 699 Indian rupees on Amazon. Now let's check out the contents of the package. Okay, so here is the company branding. The internal cardboard packet has a tempered screen guard and two clean wipes. One is a wet wipe and the other one is a dry wipe. Let's have a closer look on the tempered glass. The screen guard has a black strip on all four sides and there is no damage to the product. Okay, so onwards with the steps for the installation process. Firstly, clean the mobile surface with the microfiber cloth. Make sure that there are no dust particles on the screen. Second, clean the surface with the wet wipe. And then wipe the remnant water droplets with the dry wipe.
What do spirits say?
After making sure that the screen is completely dust-free, remove the plastic sticker and then align the screen guard with the mobile display. After properly aligning, apply pressure on the center of the screen with your index finger. Then, gradually spread the pressure towards the outer side, as you can see me doing. Note that you guys switch off your mobile phones before installation so that you don't end up like me, turning off the screen again and again. So let's see how it looks after installation. As you can notice, it looks pretty neat and decent. Although there are still some bubbles left on the edge of the screen, they can be removed over time. The display looks sharp and there is no lag in response to touch. I couldn't see any difference in display quality between the UV glue and the normal adhesive tempered glass. The black strip on the edges are quite disappointing as it blocks the display. Compared to UV glue screen, the installation process for this tempered glass is much more simple. As for my final verdict on this product, I would have recommended the Blaspheme tempered glass had it not been for the black strips. It really doesn't do justice to the display and is like a blemish on the good qualities of the product. This detail of the product was not mentioned by the seller in the description. Had I known this earlier, I wouldn't have bought it. But hey, if you don't mind compromising on the display, then you can surely go for it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then leave a like. Please do show support by subscribing to my channel. If you have anything more to add to the review, then do leave a comment. Thank you guys. Have a great day.